Here we have lesson 7.3, comparing linear functions. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write the two equations of these two lines. So I'm looking at the bottom one. I'm going down 3 over 2. I just found two good points. So my slope would be negative 3 halves, and my y-intercept is 1. So my equation is y equals negative 3 halves x plus 1. Now if I look at my light blue line, I'm just finding two additional good points. I'm going down 3 over 2, so my slope is the same, negative 3 halves x, but my y-intercept is 7. Now, if I look at these two equations, how did they change? Did my slope change? Nope, I've got the same slope, but my y-intercept changed. Specifically, what's the shift? How did it change? It went up 6 units. Now, I've written the equations for my next two set. How did they change? My slope changed, right? So would you say that equation 2 was steeper or less steep from equation 1? You would say it's steeper because 2 is larger than 1/2. And what about these next two equations? What changed? My slope changed again. What changed about my slope? The value, right? I went from 3 halves to 1/3. And also the sign. So the direction is different and the steepness is different. Would you say that it's less steep or more steep? Less steep. Because 1/3 is smaller than 3 halves. Okay, last set. What changed here? My slope and my y-intercept changed. What about my slope is different? The sign, I went from negative to a positive, so the direction would change. And my y-intercept, I went from +2 to -4. So how many down did I go? What's my shift? 6 down. Right? It's because I had to go 2 to get to 0, and then I had to go 4 more, which would be a total of 6. So that's what this lesson is all about. The last lesson, we compared one equation to the parent function. This lesson, we're going to just compare two equations to each other.